Afternoon guys, quite a nice day now. The wind's dropped off a bit and the sun's come out, so I've got a list of jobs to get done, so I thought I'd just get my breath and see if I can figure out which ones I want doing first. So while I've had to clear out of the back passage, I know the side fence wants creosoting, so the inside edge is disgusting. So I thought today we'd have a look at one of my new toys. So this is the Kranzle K1050-TST. This is still classed as a domestic pressure washer, but it's a high-end one. This kit's going to set you back about, I don't know, 550, 600 quid. This one was a little bit cheaper. The TST model comes with the hose reel set. I've had a quick look at the specs, but you can check these out online. So 130 bar, maximum 160, needs a water outlet speed of at least 7.5 litres a minute. Temperature 60 degrees maximum. And what have we got? 230 volt, 2.5 kilowatt, 9.6 amps, 24 kilos, so it's a big lumpy weight. I've had the Karchers before, and this is a far better build and design. The pump here, all brass and bronze, aluminium, none of your cheap plastic bits, and that's the bit that broke on my last one. Was just about here on the Karcher. Got frost damage and cracked through there. Got a filter. With this kit we've got two lancers, so this is the spinning end, and then we've got the fan nozzle over here. Quite a decent length of hose on this. Standard screw connection, quick release, down it on there. So I thought we'd give this a little bit of a go down the back passage, as it were. So we'll have a bit of water pressure. This hose frankly is shit. It's an old domestic one. It's got flat in places. I've squashed them all out again. But we really need to get a nice set of the yellow semi-commercial one. Right, power up. So it's got a full auto stop on this, and we'll just trundle around here and give it a whirl. So if I put that down a minute, a quick U in there, and we would do if we haven't snagged up somewhere. There's a mistake for you, isn't it? Not rolling it out far enough. As you can see, this fence here, if I wipe the dust off, got mildew on it, moss, bits of leaves, and I just need to give this a bit of a blow down before I get the old creosote gun out. So So, standard, excuse me, let's wipe your eyes. Standard fan assembly. Give you a quick demonstration of the spinning one. is probably more for concrete, but there we go. Let's pop that out. So you can see there, very little time to do that. That's a nice quick clean off of that fence. I've got to go all the way down with there with that, and I've got my thatchers getting warm over the other side, so I'm going to carry on and have a bit of a clean up. Oh, mustn't let that go to waste. And I hope you guys have a great lockdown. Right guys, little follow-up video. Literally took me longer to set the kit up than it did to do the fence. So fence and path, nice and clean, all the way back down her passage. Wilt gets the, can't get the contrast right, but that's a nice solid bit of kit. Even did my pipe work down there as well, did the path, blew that down. That will give me a nice surface to creosote with later. And here we go, there's the kit. I should say all the bottles in the back, not mine, don't know who they belong to. And also when you use it, lay it flat, otherwise it affects the life of the pump. But yeah, nice bit of kit, nice and firm, it's built nicely, it's not a cheap bit of kit. You pay your money, you take your choices, and for me, my choice is that Kranzle K1050-TST. Thank you very much. And on that note, God, at least nobody's dropped me cider. Oh, let's go and see what the guys are doing in here. Oh. Yeah, shit. I think I need to clean them as well. Yeah. Bloody horrible things. Yeah. Well guys, have a great bank holiday Monday, and we'll catch you next week. See you later. Be safe.